Recently, Special Effects Media hosted a workshop for YouTubers in Joburg. Being the agent of a YouTuber with over 500,000 subs, Rob the Ranger, I wanted to see how we could collaborate with SEMSA. After I met with Rob at the airport to discuss business, we headed to the event and discussed how we could work with SEMSA to grow the YouTube ZA community. The event was great. I connected with many YouTubers and organized a collab with one of these creatives to discuss how each of us valued the event. It's all here, so enjoy!
Wait, what? What's up, guys? We are, well, first of all, Rob the Ranger here at the airport discussing some business with Rob the Ranger, also having some nice food. Just look at that. And yeah, after this, we are going to, where are we going, Rob?
Another name. Somewhere in Johannesburg. I know nothing. I live in the bush.
He's in the bush and I'm Richten. So we're going to use Google Maps to get there. That's the update. I'm going to keep you posted. We're going to go to
Special Effects Media. This segment is not sponsored by Google Maps or Special Effects Media.
Thank you.
By the way.
Thank you for mentioning that. And then, yeah, then we're going to actually have the workshop and then we're going to the consultation. But I'll keep you posted. We just got to inside town. Here we are. Maboneng. Just getting to the venue. This is exactly what we're here for. This collaborative city workspace.
This was our meeting with the Special Effects Media Team South Africa. I could give you snippets of the format for the event, which Brad clearly laid out over here, but Azania Realness, another South African YouTuber who attended the event, like, she literally called me while I was at the event and was like, dude, where's the meetup at? Michael Cost gave me your number, and yeah, she managed to make it there. She just released a video, like right now while I was busy editing, of the tips she took out of this. It was amazing. It was like, she has really got an awesome personality, and like, you know, I love to promote YouTubers at every opportunity, so I'm going to link her video in the description of this one. Go and check it out, and yeah, we're going to carry on with the video now.
What's up, guys? Steph is silver. Oh no, there's no D in there. Hey? It's just
no,
Steph.
it's just capital E apostrophe capital S ILVA.
Steph is silver.
It's been misspelled so many times though, so it's all good.
And she's here as a person to reflect on how the Special Effects Media went. Someone who's starting out on her YouTube channel, and I'm going to share as someone who's been on the YouTube scene for a while now, just what our different perspectives were in response to that event, which was awesome, by the way. Thank you so much for having this workshop, for including people who are starting out their YouTube channels, giving them free advice, guys. It was mahala, it was free, it was verniet to go to this event, and we had a meet up with the people beforehand. Their heart is set on the community, how to grow the community, and that resonates with me so much, so thank you guys, thank you. Steph, how did you find the event? What did you take out of it?
There was a lot of anxiety. I'm sure you heard. I was shaking so much in the beginning when I met all of you. But I will say that I think it was really fascinating to have new and upcoming versus being here for a while. It's kind of a way of getting the South African community together.
Yeah.
And yeah, it was really, really helpful. I mean, I honestly, please don't judge me, I did not know how to put on title cards and end screen cards and inserts and stuff like
annotations
that.
And all of that.
Yeah, and
Pop-up
I didn't
cards
know that the hashtags worked in a different way and stuff like that, and you can only have 3. There was a lot of like statistics that I didn't know and I got to learn about. Also got to learn about some of the business side of it. I need to do a lot of work.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was really interesting. It was really fascinating. Meeting Rob the Ranger was amazing.
Yeah.
Also, he is so tall, and I'm tiny, and I just sat there like,
Yeah, Rob is tall. He's the biggest YouTuber in South Africa, I'm pretty sure. No, but I mean, he's probably the tallest. He's the 9th biggest YouTuber in South Africa when it comes to subscribers and all of that. But yeah, I think he's probably the tallest. Yeah.
He's 9. I need to learn so much.
Do I have more questions for you? Yeah, I mean...
Do I have more questions? Yes.
Let me tell you the anxiety that you experienced. It wasn't just you. I know a lot of people who were starting out with their YouTube channels also experienced a lot of anxiety, and that much is normal. But can I say that from my side, I respect the fact that you were able to, regardless of that, still put the camera in front of your face and to vlog it. She made a vlog about the event, guys. You can go and take a look. It's on her channel. Links in the description. just follow her channel. I'll put a link to her channel in there, and then you just look at her most recent vlogs. It'll be there. It'll be there. She got that cap.
I got a new cap. So it's a YouTube Go symbol in the front, and it's got the YouTube Go thingy at the back, and it's amazing, and it's a snapback. So this cap makes my life.
Let's plug YouTube Go quickly. I know that Special Effects Media were trying to plug it. The thing is, okay, YouTube Go. YouTube came and had a YouTube Go tour last year, and Special Effects Media helped orchestrate that. They told them which guys they could use, and they used some of Special Effects Media's guys. But look here, YouTube Go is an amazing app. All right,
it really is.
For the
I
people,
use it.
For the people who don't have Wi-Fi at home or limitless data. Data is so expensive, and I tell so many of my subscribers, what YouTube Go does is it's an app made by YouTube. It's legit. It's not some other app. And what it does is it compresses huge video files. Like, you know, YouTube videos are really big. Like, they can be 500 megs at least, quite easily.
Yeah.
It'll compress something like that to 5 to 10 megs. You can choose which quality you watch it in, and you can download it and watch it later. And all of the statistics still get uploaded to YouTube. So YouTube Go is the bomb. If you can afford to watch my videos on YouTube, I would appreciate that, because I want you to comment and like, and some of these things you can't do in YouTube Go. But if you can't, and this is the only way that you can watch my videos or her videos or your favorite YouTuber's content, YouTube Go is the way. So go and do the things. Download YouTube Go from the Play Store. Now, if I have to share a bit about how I experienced the event from my perspective as someone who's been on the platform for a while, I would say like a lot of the content which they covered in the slides was super useful for people who are starting out and who haven't done the Creator Academy course that YouTube provides. If you haven't done it, go and do it. I would recommend doing it.
Will you explain how that works?
So when you go to your dashboard on YouTube and you check all of your
Oh,
stuff.
that thing. Oh, no, I did that.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And they give you a whole bunch of courses like how monetization works
Yeah.
and how to engage with your audience and bada bang. So, I mean, I was quite familiar with a lot of the content they did. They did put it in a way that it was engaging and like it was funny, and just having them present it to us, that made a big difference. I think what stood out the most to me out of the whole event was the opportunity for the community to come together, to get to know, hey, look, there are other YouTubers in my area, something we can do, we can plan collabs, we can interview each other, we can... Exactly,
Yeah.
this is a fruit of what...
He doesn't live that far away from me, so it was really easy to make a collab with him, and I'm very grateful.
Cool. I'm glad you're grateful. So,
I think I thanked you about like 700 times.
It's fine. Gratitude is a good thing to have. Trait, attribute, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I mean, just the community, the opportunities, like getting to meet each other, and often you'll find that YouTubers hit dead spells or just dry spells, that's the word,
Yeah.
like with regards to what to do, like they need something to kickstart that, an opportunity to film, to get content, and to be inspired by like-minded individuals, and that's what this event did. I know that one of the things that came as a result of this event was just more people who are interested in building the community like I am. So we're going to actually be having meetings in this upcoming week discussing our next meetup for the month, how we're going to do that. The Special Effects Media team was really willing to help at the meetup, had an idea. This is Ten Ibe, a really awesome guy. He's thinking at the meetups that we have, we can actually have a practical side. So for the one thing, it's a meetup, we get to meet up, and all the reasons which I just mentioned as a result of meeting up,
Yeah,
there's
it's a
going to be...
unification.
Yeah, there's the YouTube pillow, the community pillow, which is now full, and Special Effects Media has agreed to go and speak to YouTube to get us another pillow, a bigger pillow, so that more people can sign and feel like they're a part of something. Someone will share on just, basic YouTube workshop kind of stuff for all the people who want to have that, and Q&As to more experienced channels from the smaller channels, and lastly, just a practical side of how to implement what we've learned, and that was Ten's idea. I think that's really awesome. We're going to keep you posted about that, but from my side, it was really just the opportunity to meet with people, to network with people, to save all their contacts. South African YouTuber, bam,
Yeah,
bam, bam.
the amount of contacts that I made are hectic. I mean, yeah, you make a lot of contacts in the industry, in the film industry, but oh my, it happened so quickly. I was just thinking like, okay, new number, new contact, and I was so scared that like, because my phone was on 10%, I was like, I'm gonna run out of battery, and that's gonna be the end of that, and I still need to get an Uber home.
Yeah, that is a real struggle. I know exactly what you're talking about.
But it was amazing.
Yeah, that is it from us, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Oh yes, let me tell you about the other things we're doing here, because this video is probably going to go up first before those other ones, because the event happened on Friday. It'll still be up on like Monday or sometime early in the week. We just did a Zam collab where I ask her a bit more about herself. So if you want to check out the Stephanie character before you go and subscribe to her channel, then go and check the Zam collab. It's going to. Oh, you actually can't do that because this video is going up first. Stay tuned for the Zam collab. It's gonna happen. It's already happened, but it's gonna be posted on my channel. And we're also gonna go and scout Delta Park. Apparently, it's very artsy, culture-y kind of.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
I'm sure majority of you have been there.
So I haven't been there, so it's the first time for me. We're gonna go scout it and see if it's a good location for our next meetup.
He even wore like shoes that he can walk around in.
Yeah, these are my everything shoes.
These are legit set shoes. Like every single grip in Sydney wears shoes like this.
Nice. Yeah, I'm very proud of my what do you call these, Salomons? Yeah, these things are my everything shoes. You don't know what's gonna happen in your life when you're in my life. Like crazy things can happen. We can go on a hike. We can go scout the city. We can go shoot collabs, or we can go and deliver flour with my dad. Here's so many things can happen, so just be ready for anything and wear Salomons. All Stars are awesome. Yes. Proper All Stars.
Sneakers do the most.
So thank you so much, guys, and we will see you in those videos to come. Oh yes, and she's also about to shoot her.
Yeah, I'm doing a nice little interview with this boy, and then I also have behind the scenes of what we're doing. So if you want to check out more of this amazing human, then you can come to my channel, and I'm going to get some very interesting questions out of him. So
stay tuned for that. Until next time, fam, Zam Jammer and Steph out.